Namaste, pure divine souls. Welcome to Pure Mindfulness. Today, how to let go your past. I will tell you one small story. He is a young boy. He loves a girl very deeply. They are enjoying, they are spend good time. Then one day she leaves him. He is very sad. He was not ready to accept the truth. He loved very truly. He was not ready to accept the truth. He was not ready to let go. He always thinks about her. He starts drinking alcohol and smoking and taking drugs. His health was very bad. He was not caring about his health. He was always thinking about her. Some days after, he became ill. He was not able to talk properly. He was not a healthy person anymore. One day, he was dying. This is true. So many young people are suffering like this. They are not ready to let go their past. Is it important to let go your past? There are so many people are not able to let go their past. They are ready to grow, but they don't know how to let go their past and live happy life, peaceful life. Is it possible to let go your past? Yes, it is possible to let go your past. It is very simple. I will tell you in this video how to let go your past in a easy and simple way. And I will explain you step by step. Let go past. It's a simple word, but it gives lots of pain. The person who suffered in their past, they know what is the pain. There are so many types: relationship problems, breakups, childhood abuse, sexual harassments. Nowadays, gang rapes, murders. These are the so many issues. People are suffering nowadays. How to overcome, how to let go your past. The important thing, the important issue is past is past. This is true. How to let go your past? You are suffering. You are bearing the pain. You are bearing the unnecessary luggage in your shoulders, in your head, in your heart. Always you are bearing the extra weight unnecessary weight in your head, in your body, and in your heart. It is not good for your health, physical health, mental health, and your spiritual health, your soul. This is caused so many diseases, physical diseases and psychological diseases. How to overcome? How to let go the past? Past is past. One person understand, this is my past. This is not reality. So many changes happened in this process. You are changed a lot in this process. You learned so many lessons in your life. You are not the same person when you are hurt, when you are bearing the pain. Just let go the pain. Understand this. I am not the same person when I was in that situation. And forgive yourself. This is very important. Before that, I will tell you one thing. You want to swim or you want to climb a mountain? Are you interested to wait? Are you interested to carry any unnecessary luggage in your shoulders? I think smart people are not ready to carry any unnecessary luggage in their shoulders. I think you are a smart person. You are not ready to carry that unnecessary weight in your shoulders and in your heart. Remove them in this moment. Remove the unnecessary weight in your heart, in your shoulders. Without weight, you are free. Without unnecessary weight, you are free. You feel happy. You feel light. You feel the happiness in your heart. How to let go the past? For example, you are suffering to overcome your past. One person hurt you very badly. One girl or any person, he or she, anyone who hurt you badly, any situation. Forgive them and forgive yourself. First, forgive them. Forgive the person. This is not simple, but it is possible. You can do that. You have the power to forgive them. Why I forgive them? Because it will give you happiness. Why you are sad without your fault? Why? That's why you forgive them just for 1 minute and close your eyes. Remember the situation, who hurt you very badly, you are not able to overcome the past. Every time you see the person, you see the place, you are suffering a lot. Remember the situation, remember the place, and remember the person who hurt you very badly. Then I forgive you. I forgive you. And remember her face or remember his face. Then said, I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. Just for 1 minute. It is very simple. And you also do one more thing, that is forgive yourself. Life is very short. In that small situation is not decide, is not control your whole life. Forgive yourself. We are humans. We make mistakes. We learn and we better ourselves. Forgive yourself. I forgive myself. Yes, I made a mistake. I am not a bad person. I make a mistake. I know. I forgive myself. Tell me yourself, I forgive you. Tell me. Tell me like you are talking your close friend. For example, I want to forgive myself. I tell you, okay, Uma Krishnaveni, you are doing not good, but I love you. Uma Krishnaveni, I forgive you. I learned the lesson. I never do that. I forgive you. And give one smile. That's it. Try this simple exercise, simple habit. Try this daily, at least 1 week. You will definitely see the results. You definitely feel lightly. This will help you. Forgive yourself heartfully. Forgive other person heartfully. It will help you to remove that unnecessary weight in your shoulders, in your heart and in your brain. You are totally free. You are totally happy person. Let go. This is the simple way. If you are holding the pain in your heart, what you get? You get pain only. You get suffering. Anyone can't want become a unhappy person. You want to be happy person. Anyone can deserve to be a happy life and healthy life. You know, these past create so many illnesses in our body. If you think overly about your past, you become an unhealthy person, headaches, blood pressure issues. When you are thinking, observe your breathing. You are breathing always up because you are suffering very badly. No one wants to be unhappy. That's why forgive who hurt you. Forgive yourself and forgive the situations. You are a better person now. You handle it and take care and love yourself. Thank you for watching.